Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Tron coin, as there is an upcoming event on 7th of July announced by Justin Sun, and this is a tweet by the Justin Sun on 6th of June. After nearly a year in development, Tron Smart Contract Privacy Protocol will finally be released as an integral part of Tron 4.0 protocol on July 7th. Now, in today's video, we will try to understand how this announcement and event can affect the price action, whether the price action will turn bullish or not. First of all, I would like to take you to this live chart. This is the daily chart where the price action has formed an up channel. After that, we will watch the different simple moving averages and exponential moving averages as well. And we will also watch this big triangle and different support and resistance level as well. And at the end of this video, I would like to recall this bullish shark pattern that can lead the Tron coin to a really very powerful bullish move. Now, first of all, I would like to take you to this chart where the price action has formed an up channel, and at this time the price action was likely to break down this support of the channel, but finally the price action is entered in the channel back again. Now, if we see at the day of announcement, this was the 6th June, the price action had already hit the resistance of the channel and it was likely to move down. But it can be the effect of the announcement that the price action certainly moved up. And this was almost a 15% big move. And you can see that the price action tried hard to break out this resistance of the channel, but all the way moved down up to this support of this channel. I have also placed a moon phases indicator on this chart, and we can see that we had the dark moon appeared at the support of the channel. That was indicating that it will be difficult for the price line to cross down more than this level, and we have the new full moon that is just below this resistance of the channel. That is not a good sign, because it is indicating that it will be difficult for the price line to break out this resistance level of the channel, because we have the new full moon here. If the new full moon will be appeared after that above the resistance of the channel, then it will be a clear signal or indication that the price action may try to break out or may break out this resistance of the channel. But it can be possible that due to this big event, the price action will turn more bullish and it will break out the channel and move to the next resistance level. And now I would like to show you these exponential moving averages. This is the exponential moving average 10, and this red one is the exponential moving average 21. And the price action, since the price action has started this bullish rally from March up till now, the price action is using these EMAs as a good support. At this time, the price action is again trying to use these EMAs as a support. And finally, the price action is likely to move up for the next bullish move. And if we want the different simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 200, and 100, then the price action moved all the way down up to this support of 200 simple moving average and broke down the 50 and the 25 simple moving averages. And at this time, the price action has taken a powerful bullish divergence and broke out the 50 simple moving average. And at this time, the price action is likely to break out the 25 simple moving average, and that 100 simple moving average is moving up to form a bull cross with the 200 simple moving average. That is the last bull cross that is left to be formed so far. And after that, the price action can turn more bullish. Now, if we watch this triangle, this descending triangle that is formed on the long-term weekly chart, then we have the price action between 50. This green one is the 50, this blue one is the 25 simple moving averages, and we had a strong support of 25 simple moving average. Therefore, I was expecting that the price action may start another bullish move from here, and it may make another attempt to break out this resistance. If I place this volume profile indicator on the complete price action moving within this channel, then we can see that at this time the price action is moving in the area where we have the traders interest, the strong traders interest. We have the traders interest from this level up to this level, that is almost at 2.6 cents. At this time the price action is at 1.6 cents, so there is possibility that the price action, once it will break out this 50 simple moving average, then it will also break out this resistance of the channel as well, because this 25 simple moving average can form a golden cross or bull cross with 50 simple moving average that can produce more powerful bullish rally. Now I would like to take you to the different support and resistance level chart, and this is the same weekly long-term chart, and we can see that we have the different long-term support and resistance levels, and this is a really very strong support at 1.27 cents. I was expecting that if the price action will be moved down from here, because the price action already was rejected by this resistance of the triangle. Therefore, there was a possibility that the price action would be moved down up to the support of this descending triangle. And the support of the triangle is at the same level where we have this last support, that is 1.27 cents. And we can see that since November 2018, the price action is not able to break down this support level even after several strong attempts. Now we have the next resistance level at 2.3 cents, and if we watch this triangle, then we have the resistance of the triangle almost at 1.78 cents. So there is a possibility, if the price action will be moved up from here, then it will be easily reached up to this next resistance level that is at 2.3 cents, as the price action has already retested this resistance on Feb 2020, but after that, even after a strong attempt, it was dropped down all the way on the support because at that time all the markets were moving down, and the TRX also moved down with all other markets. Now we can expect that the price action will make a strong attempt to break out this 2.3 cents resistance level, as we have also the support of this event as well. So this can be become a cause for the price line to turn more bullish and cross up this level. Then we have the next resistance almost at 3 cents, then 4 cents, then up from 4 cents up to 8 cents. There is no significant resistance, you can see. And this is a gap of 100% without any resistance. So this gap can be covered, and the price action can move up all the way up to this level of 8 cents in a very short period of time, once it will be able to cross up this 4 cents resistance. However, at this time the price action is moving at this level. I'm expecting that it will make another attempt to break out this 2.3 cents resistance level. Now I would like to show you this chart, even recall this chart that I posted back in September 2019, where the price action of TRON formed a bullish shark pattern, and this was the initial leg, and A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. This was the first confirmation for the bullish shark. Then the price action projected between 0.382 this is the projection of 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection, and this is the projection of A to B leg like this. And finally the price action is retraced between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. So this was the second confirmation, this projection, and this retracement level was the third and final confirmation for the formation or the completion of bullish shark pattern. And as per Fibonacci sequence of full bullish shark pattern, I predicted that the price action may reach up to this level from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And now I'm playing this chart, and you can see that the price action has hit a really very big spike and produced up to 114% profit. And after that, the price action moved down again in this potential reversal zone. At this time, the price action is again moving up and gearing up. I'm expecting that the price action will be again entered in this area, and I am waiting for the price action to have a breakout from this level. That is a 7.786 Fibonacci retracement or projection area, and this can be the big hurdle that is almost at 3 cents we have, where we have our next resistance level after 2.6 cents resistance, like we have already seen here. We have the 3 cents resistance after 2.3 cents resistance level. So once this 3 cent resistance will be broken out, then it will be easy for the price line to cross up the next resistance level as well, because this 0.786 Fibonacci projection is always a really very big hurdle or resistance for the price action. However, this time I'm expecting that it will be moved up to this area very soon. So this was the update by the TRX price action. If there will be more updates, I'll definitely share with you. And I hope that this event will play a major role for the price action to have a breakout from the next resistance level. Let's see what will happen in the future. So take care. Goodbye.